Most people get this wrong when looking into Cleo Cash Advance. They assume everyone gets approved for the same amount of money. Here's the truth no one tells you. The amount you may qualify for can vary from person to person, and understanding how eligibility works is far more important than focusing on a single number. In this video, you'll learn how Cleo Cash Advance works in 2026, what can affect your advance amount, and whether it's a smart option when you need short-term financial help. Let's get straight into it. Cleo Cash Advance is designed to help eligible users access a small amount of money before their next payday. The feature is intended for short-term cash flow gaps rather than long-term borrowing. For example, imagine Alex has a utility bill due on Monday, but his paycheck arrives on Wednesday. A cash advance could help cover that temporary gap. That's the type of situation these services are generally built for. But here's the problem. Many people hear the words cash advance and immediately focus on the maximum amount available. This is where most people fail. The amount you may receive depends on factors such as account activity, income patterns, eligibility requirements, and other criteria determined by the platform. In other words, two users can have completely different advance limits. Now here's where it gets interesting. The real value isn't always the amount itself. The biggest benefit is often speed and convenience. For someone facing a short-term financial mismatch, quick access to funds can be more important than the size of the advance. For example, John only needs a small amount to avoid a late payment fee. In that case, even a modest advance could solve the immediate problem. That's a small win that can make a big difference. In a minute, I'll show you the most important thing to consider before requesting any cash advance. First, remember that advances are typically meant to be repaid according to the service's terms. This isn't free money. Any advance should fit comfortably within your budget, so that repayment doesn't create additional financial stress later. Now here's the key question. Should you rely on cash advances regularly? For most people, the answer is no. Cash advances work best as occasional tools for temporary situations, not as a long-term solution for ongoing financial challenges. If you find yourself needing advances every month, it may be worth reviewing your budget, spending habits, or income strategy. The bottom line is simple. Cleo Cash Advance can help eligible users bridge short-term gaps between paychecks, but the amount available varies based on individual circumstances and platform requirements. Focus less on the maximum number, and more on whether the advance solves your specific problem responsibly. If this guide helped you understand Cleo Cash Advance in 2026, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial app reviews and tutorials, and let me know in the comments whether you've used a cash advance app before and what your experience was like.